Thank you for choosing our story. If you enjoy this one, don't forget to check out other stories on our channel. From princes and princesses to fairies and detective tales, each story is packed with beautiful lessons about friendship, family, and morals. Now, let's dive into today's exciting story. Goldie and the Baby Sparrows. Written by Mukhtar Ahmed, this story is a treasure trove of valuable lessons. All rights reserved. Goldie and the Baby Sparrows. It was morning. Goldie had come to stroll in her garden and was sitting near the flowers. Colorful butterflies fluttered around the blossoms. Goldie noticed a nest on a tree. Inside the nest were baby sparrows. They seemed hungry. Hopping and chirping noisily, they created a commotion in the nest. Soon, the sparrow arrived. She had brought grains clutched in her beak. One by one, she fed the grains to her babies. Goldie found this scene very delightful. When she returned home, her mother had made potato chips for her. Goldie said, "Mom, I won't eat them." Her mother asked, "Why not?" Goldie replied, "You have to feed me like the sparrow fed her babies." Her mother picked up a chip, held it in her mouth, and brought her face close to Goldie. Goldie ate the chip. She laughed so hard that she couldn't stop.